Single visit endodontics. So single visit endodontics, we will do the BMP procedure, disinfection and obturation of the root canal system in the same appointment. We all know that microorganisms are the main reason causing the apical periodontitis. Therefore, their elimination from root canal space during the root canal treatment result in predictable healing of the periapical pathosis. So all that we need to do is we have to eliminate the microorganism from the root canal system. The question is whether a single visit is sufficient or you need to give an intracanal medicament followed by an obturation in the second visit. So there are two schools of thought. So initially, according to Ostervik, when the canal is not going to be highly infected, then we can go for a single visit. Like according to Jogren et al., if your canal is loaded with microorganism, it is better to go for an intracanal medicament followed by an obturation. Therefore, there are two different schools of thought. Okay, Oliet have given criteria for selection for the single visit endodontics. First is patient must have positive acceptance because of the increased treatment duration. We should also have sufficient time for the completion of the treatment. Then absence of acute symptoms like persistent continuous flow of exudate, etc. And absence of anatomical obstacles and procedural difficulties. So these are the Oliet's criteria for case selection of a single visit endodontics. So what are the advantages? So advantages are the patient comfort because they need not come for 2 appointments, and then also local anesthesia we need not administer for twice. And also we have reduced chat time, reduces the incomplete treatment because some patient may not report back for the second appointment. Reduced inter-appointment flare-up caused because of leaky temporary restoration. According to Abbott, an improper temporary restoration, a leaky temporary restoration are an important cause for the failure of a root canal treatment. So then, what are the disadvantages when we are going to encounter some kind of calcified canal and acutely curved canals or a weeping canal where you cannot afford sufficient time for completion of the procedure in a single visit? So these are some of the disadvantages. So what are the points that are in favor of single visit endodontics? So with our strong irrigation regime, so we can studies are stating that we are able to reduce the bacterial count in a predictable way with a single visit endodontics. So our best example is an article by Sathorn et al., effectiveness of single visit versus multiple visit endodontic treatment in teeth with AP, that is apical periodontitis. According to him, in single visit endodontics, there was 6.3% higher healing rate. Therefore, the study is in favor of single visit endodontics. And according to Eliezer, the flare-up rate in single visit endodontic is less when compared to that of multiple visit endodontics. Therefore, we can go for single visit endodontics when we are going to follow the appropriate treatment protocol. When you are going to use the correct irrigation sequence, correct irrigation solution, then we can go for a single visit endodontics. So there is a very common question. So is a tooth with persistent sinus tract a good candidate for single visit endodontics? Yes, because of the presence of sinus tract, it can act as a safety valve and prevents the build-up of pressure. So I hope I was clear with a few important points in single visit endodontics, and usually in our syllabus they will ask it in a 5-mark question, or they can even ask as an essay to write about single visit versus multiple visit endodontics, where we will have to speak even more about the role of intracanal medicament and about its significance. So intracanal medicament is intracanal medicament playing a significant role here, or the inter-appointment leakage of the coronal restoration is playing a significant role, or using appropriate percentage concentration of irrigation for an adequate duration of time is playing an important role. We have to discuss in these aspects. I hope this video was useful. Thank you.